In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Polybuzz.ai on web. To follow along, you'll just need a web browser and access to your Google account. Start by opening your browser and heading to google.com. In the search bar, type Polybuzz and press enter. In the results, look for the official Polybuzz site. The address should read Polybuzz.ai. That's the one you want, and checking the domain helps you avoid lookalike pages. Click the official result to open the Polybuzz homepage. Once the site loads, glance to the upper right corner of the page and locate the Login button. Go ahead and select that. This takes you to the sign-in screen. Here, choose Continue with Google. Polybuzz uses Google for secure authentication, which means you sign in through Google and never share your Google password directly with Polybuzz. If your browser blocks pop-ups, make sure it allows them for this step so the Google sign-in window can appear. Next, you'll see a list of Google accounts that are already signed in on your browser. Pick the account you want to use with Polybuzz. It's important to choose the Gmail that's linked to your Polybuzz access or subscription, especially if you manage multiple accounts for work and personal use. Selecting the wrong account can put you into a blank workspace or a different profile. Take a second to confirm the email before continuing. After you've identified the right one, click that account. Depending on your settings, Google may display a brief confirmation screen. Review the details and continue. In many cases, if you're already signed into that Google account, the process completes immediately without extra prompts. You'll then be redirected back to Polybuzz and you should land on your dashboard or workspace. A quick way to confirm you're logged in is to look again at the upper right corner for your profile avatar or initials, which indicates you're authenticated. And that's it. Open Google, search for Polybuzz, visit the official site, click Login, continue with Google, choose the correct account, and click it to finish. If anything seems stuck during the Google step, a quick refresh of the page usually helps. You're now ready to explore your projects and tools inside Polybuzz on the web. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to double-check what you're seeing on your screen.